Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today here I have for you this very bold green and gold cut crease, and if you'd like to know how to achieve this, then keep on watching. Okay, I didn't mention this in the video, but I used the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer just to prime, and then went into my Saharan palette by Juvia's Place with the shade called Katsina. Use that as my transition shade with a fluffy crease brush. Okay, and then I went in with the first edition 120 color eyeshadow palette by Beige Cosmetics. Used this green shadow and an angled fluffy brush along the crease under the transition shade. Alright, and then after that I went back into that transition shade to bring the color back because it felt like I got washed away, and then did the same with the green, just went back and forth with the colors until I got the desired pigment. And then I went in with that darker green from the same palette and used this fluffy e.l.f. shadow brush just to define the crease a little bit more. Okay, and then after that I went in with this like really fluffy eyeshadow brush from Eco Tools just to blend all the other colors together and just to mesh it all and make it a smooth transition. Okay, now for the cut crease I use Maybelline Master Conceal and the Sonia Kashia concealer brush, and it starts out fine at first, but then turns out a mess. I'm not sure if that's because of the concealer that I used, or I don't know, the brush was not the one for my lids. But yeah, it looks really messy here, but trust me, the end result is gonna look even better than what you're seeing right now. But yeah, basically I'm just doing like a half cut crease, and then after that I'm going in with this shade from the Saharan palette called Wudabe. It's like this really nice gold. Reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. And yeah, just going in with, this is the wrong brush, so I went in with the correct one. And then just went to town all over the lid where I put the concealer. And don't be afraid of using too much of the gold eyeshadow. I think the gold is what really makes this look pop, so go ahead and use all the amount of layers that you want. I personally just went in with like 2 or 3 layers just to make this look even more bold and beautiful. Then I went in with Chad, which was a black eyeshadow, and dabbed really gently and just went to town with this on the outer portion of my eye. And I know that the camera cut off where I'm applying it, but you'll see in a couple seconds just a general idea of what the shadow is supposed to look like. As you can see, I start off with a pretty small amount of black eyeshadow, and then I just start building up the intensity to the one that I desire, which is a lot of black. And the black just makes the look even more bold. And so yeah, just what I'm saying, don't shy away from the black, and even try bringing it to like all the way to the outer fourth of the eye, so then it just like really defines the eye even more. So the camera cut off on me while I did my wing liner, and what I'm doing here right now is just lining the waterline with a Sephora eyeliner, and then taking a pencil brush, going in with the darker green shade I used to define my crease, and then going in with Chad, the black eyeshadow, on the outer edge of that. I was dusting off an eyelash there. And then I took a smaller pencil brush and went in with Wudabe on the inner part of that lower lash line. Then I just put on some mascara and then applied these lashes by Eyeful Lash. They're called 702. And it's just like these really nice doll-like lashes. And then I went in with this contour from the Tarteist Pro palette. I meant to say Tarteist Pro to Glow palette in Chisel. Went in with this Lancome blush I don't remember the name of, but I used a Real Techniques blush brush to do that. And for highlighter, I went in with the Tarteist Pro to Glow palette again in Burst and applied some of Wudabe on top. I didn't get to film the lips, but I'll have it listed below, and yeah, this is the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. If you really enjoyed this, give a like, comment, or subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know if you really like these makeup videos, because I'm really unsure as to whether people actually like them or not. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.